We are pleased to show you the 2019 RDX. Viewed as Acura's answer to BMW's sporty X3, the RDX offers stylish interior, plenty of sport, and a nice amount of utility. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power liftgate, traction control, power passenger seat, dual airbags, air conditioning, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, heated front seats. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.